Hi, I'm Steve Yale-Loehr. Welcome to Immigration Insights. I practice immigration law here at Miller-Mayer in Ithaca, New York. I also teach immigration law at Cornell Law School and am co-author of a 21-volume immigration law treatise. I'm here today to talk with you about international entrepreneurs. Unfortunately, the United States doesn't have a visa category specific for international entrepreneurs. They have to figure out how to stay and work in the United States using one of our other existing visa categories. Often that's like trying to put a square peg into a round hole. The U.S. Congress is considering legislation to create a specific startup visa for entrepreneurs, but that's unlikely to happen anytime soon. We'll probably have to wait for comprehensive immigration reform, and that's probably several years off. In the meantime, the Obama administration tried to do something administratively to help international entrepreneurs. They came out with a rule known as the entrepreneurial parole rule that would allow startup founders and other key employees who are foreign nationals to be able to stay and work in the United States for up to 5 years, as long as the company was founded within the last 3 years, and that company has received at least $100,000 in government financing or at least $250,000 in venture capital financing. It was a great rule, and the Obama administration finalized it in the last few days of its administration in January. The rule was set to take place next week on July 17th. Unfortunately, the Trump administration announced on July 10th that it plans to delay the rule and possibly rescind it. It came out with a notice in the Federal Register to that effect. Comments are due on that notice by August 10th, and I encourage all entrepreneurs to write in and comment about the adverse effects that rescinding this entrepreneurial parole rule would create. You can find the notice in the Federal Register website by just searching international entrepreneurs. In the meantime, some entrepreneurs cannot stay in the United States to create companies, and that's too bad because immigrants are twice as likely as native-born Americans to create new businesses in the United States. 40% of all of the Fortune 500 companies in the United States were started by immigrants or their children. And the 44 immigrant-started companies in the United States that are now worth more than $1 billion each have created, on average, 760 jobs for American workers. If President Trump really wants to create jobs for Americans, he should embrace this entrepreneurial parole rule, not kill it. In the meantime, entrepreneurs need to have advanced planning, creative solutions, and expert advice from immigration attorneys and others to be able to figure out a way to stay and work in the United States. We'll certainly keep you posted on any new developments in this and other immigration areas. Thanks for watching this video.